Heading out on a beautiful Thursday morning. Gonna try to get me some crabs. I think it's the Indian River, Milford. Up by Chick. Beautiful day out here. We have one more crabber. He was here when I got here. A lot of little ones. He said he got about 6 keepers. I got 3 so far. About 5 or 6 little guys. Cormorant. Okay, we got a crab or 2 on here. Let's see if we can get them in. You can see my line. Heading out. See him? Oh, there's 2 of them there. I think. Yeah, they're fighting over it. Well, we got one. I don't know if he's a keeper. He will be when he sheds his next shell, though. Let's measure him up. Four and 3/4. See if we still got something here. Not feeling good, but we'll see. Slowly bringing it in. Staying down, so that's a good sign, I guess. Dip the net in. Don't want to spook them. Yeah, there's one there. Another small one, though. My setup. Nice and easy to add weight to. Fling it. Oh, gotta let this guy go, huh? I think I got an eel. Wow, look at the thing. Did you see it? I don't know. Okay, this is my landing spot. Done for the day. 2 or 3 hours. It's pretty high. Let's see what we get. Pretty nice out there. Whoa, feisty little guys, huh? Feisty little guys. Good eating.